So today in the afternoon, hey everyone, it's Malika again. Welcome back. So today's video, I have another unboxing video for you guys, and this is going to be about what I picked up recently from Adoreme. So if this is something you are interested in, then please keep on watching. Before we get started, I do want your guys' opinion on the lighting. I'm filming right now under natural daylight in my room. There's no backlight or anything, and I was wondering if you guys like this kind of setup better. But let's go ahead and do our unboxing. This video is not sponsored by Adoreme, but they did let me pick out all of these pieces for free, so I just want to let you guys know that I didn't pay for any of these pieces. But let's go ahead and get to our unboxings because I have a big box to show you guys. So let's go ahead. I have my knife right here. Dong! I don't know why I'm doing all sorts of sound effects. A lot of stuff in here, so I'm just going to show you guys what the stuff look like inside the box. There's a lot of stuff in here, literally. This box right here feel like it's 10 pounds. No joke, like so heavy. Okay, I'm just going to pull the pieces out. That way I can, you know, talk about them later. Alright, so the first thing I got is this super cute bralette. I don't know what you call this. It's like Unlined Bra. Super adorable, and it's purple. It's so cute. It looks almost like pink in the camera, but I promise you guys it's purple. Super pretty. Obviously it's unlined, so can't try this on for you guys, and I'm not comfortable trying lingerie on in the camera anyway. And the one that I showed you earlier is called Charlotte's Unlined. So this next one right here that I already took out of the bag is called Erisa Contour, and here's what it looks like. It's a beautiful bright hot pink almost, and it is going to be perfect for Valentine's Day, and that's one of the reasons why I picked this up. This doesn't have any underwire, which I love. This is a type of bra that I like to wear every single day. For the special occasion, I would go for the push-up bra. You know, you want a little bit more of an oomph, but typically every day I would just wear this kind of bra, and the matching underwear that came with it, it's super cute. I picked a thong. That's what it looks like. Super cute. And this I picked up in the size 34C. Next we have a Spur Bra. So let's see. This one is called Erisa Contour. And here's what it looks like. Ooh, I can't wait to wear this to go work out. It looks super nice and comfortable. It does have a little bit of a padding here. I mean, if you really need a little bit of a boost, this would be good. And it doesn't have the underwire down here, so this is going to be super comfortable to work out with. The back looks just like this. Super cute. I think this come in two color actually, but I picked the purple one because I thought, you know, I don't really have anything purple, and I love the animal print on this. Super cute. Can't wait to wear this. I'm probably going to wear this today in a little bit when I go work out. A few of these pieces are probably gonna get to wear it today. Okay, next we going to open this one right here. Look like a pair of pants. I did think I picked up maybe 3 pair of joggers, because you can never have too many joggers. Ooh, I forgot about this one. This one's super cute. So this is a pair of jogger, and I picked it up in the size M. It's called the Lexi lace sweatpant. Here is what the Lexi lace sweatpant looks like. It might look like a regular sweatpant to you guys, but wait for it. There's this cute lace detail on the side. I really like it. So it's kind of lined up top, and then on the bottom it's not lined, so you can see the lace detail, and it's just going to expose a little bit of your sexy leg. This will be good to, I mean, you can wear this to work out, you can wear this out, go running errands. I feel like sweatpants is one of those multi-use pieces that you can wear just about anywhere. You can wear it to bed too if you want to. So that's one of the sweatpants I picked up. Next up, I think it's a pair of leggings, and it's called the Miyamoto legging. I love that leggings. I thought they're very tummy tuck in a way. It's just really flatten out the stomach, so that's the type I'm looking for if you want to wear it, you know, as a leggings to go with your outfit and not just go to the gym. So this is more of a dressier, fancier legging in my opinion, because it has that moto detail right here. It looks super edgy. I love it. Still a stretchy material, and it's a little bit shiny in a way. I don't know, you can see it's not glossy, but it has that shiny finish a little bit. Can you see that? I picked this up in the size medium as well. That's the next one. Moving on, let's do another pair of bras and undies, because you can never have too many of those. So this next set right here is, let's see, which one am I unboxing? So it's that one. So it's the Temperance Contour, and this is probably the edgiest and the sexiest lingerie from this order. I feel like, not even lingerie, it's like just brown underwear, but it looks very bondage in a way. Yeah, you guys will be seeing me trying this on for sure. Wow, I don't even know how I'm going to wear this. So let me see if I can show you guys what the actual thing looks like the model, what it looks like in the model. That way you can, you know, better picture it. Okay, so this one is the one I picked up. Can you see? So here's what the bra looks like. Super fancy. I love this detail right here. Like, it looks almost like a corset. It's super pretty, right? And it's like, I think it's common 4 colors, so red, blue, and pink. And this is the first time that I did not pick pink, because I thought the black and nude would be sexier and cuter and something different compared to what I typically go for. And the back, it just has the simple back, lace back. And I love that the fact that this has a thicker strap, so it's easy to provide enough support for you. And here's what the matching bottom looks like. It's hard to show you guys, that's why I show you in the picture as to what it's supposed to look like. So you have the elastic part right here, and then you have the underwears right here. Look cool, right? So that's that. Next we have Nymphadora Contour. I hope I'm not butchering all of this name. So here's what it looks like inside the plastic bag. So let's pull it out. And here's my matching underwear that I chose. Ooh, this looks so cute. So, you know, sometimes when you look at something online and then you actually got the products on your hand and looked at it, and you're like, whoa, looks so cute. Right, so here's what the bra looks like. This is another push-up bra for sure, and look at the cute heart detail. Can you guys see that? Come on, camera, focus. Focus, camera. And look at this cute heart details. I love this super cute heart details. Super pretty, and these come in multiple color as well. I just thought, you know, this would be cute for Valentine's Day or all year round. This is super cute. And then here's what the matching underwear looks like. Super pretty. Next we got another set, and this is one of my more comfortable bras. Not that the ones that I show you are uncomfortable or anything, but they're more push-up and these are not. So this one is called Contour, Katie Contour Set. And let me flip this over. Now that I looked at my orders, I feel like purple was the main theme color here. Okay, so here's what the bra looks like. It's very adorable. It's purple and it's like a darker purple and a lilac with a pale pink floral all over it. Super cute. Cute in the back. And then I went for the thong. Super pretty. Can't wait to wear this. Nice and stretchy. I did pick this up also in 34C and a medium on the bottom. That's that. And let's go ahead and open this one and we'll see. Let's go ahead and open our last undies and bra set. So here's my last one right here. This one is called it's a manually push up. Right, so here's what the bra looks like. Super cute. Another push up bra, of course. This one is pink with black combo. Super pretty. And here's what the underwear looks like. Just black and pink lace. Super cute. I love these two color combos. It's like cute and edgy at the same time, you know? So that is the last bra and underwear set I picked up. Next, we got, they call this, it's under the loungewear, but I feel like you could definitely wear this to work out too. It's the Ellie set. And I own a pair of this. A set of this, but in a different colors. So here's what it looks like. It's just a biker short, super cute and stretchy, and a almost like a bralette. And like I said, I feel like you can definitely go to the gym or do yoga on this because it looks super cute, and this is super comfortable on, and I just love it. So I thought, you know, let's pick myself another set of this. And then next we got an actual PJ. You guys thought I wasn't gonna pick up any PJ this order, did you? Well, you're wrong, because how can you pick up stuff from Adoreme and not get a PJ? This set right here is called the Erisa, and here's what it looks like. It's a cute sweater, a long sleeve sweater. It's like a nice, not super thick material, but it's not super thin either. It's like just a nice sweater material, and it has floral all over it. Super cute, and it's in the beautiful purple shade. And I think it's not even floral. Why did I say floral? It's snowflakes. So super cute. And then here's what the matching short looks like. I figured I need something like this instead of a long pants PJ, just because, you know, spring is coming pretty soon, maybe in a couple months, so I figured I'll have something for that. So that's the set for that. Right, let's do this really quickly. Okay, so this one right here is called Jaden Joggers. Ooh, I love the color. The color looks even better in person. Super nice and stretchy. Super cute joggers. It has a pocket up here. And then it has cute stitching designed on the trouser or the pants itself. And it is an elastic waistband, so that's cute. Up next we got another joggers, another sweatpants. It's the same as the black one I showed you guys earlier. So it's a Lexi lace sweatpant, but this one is in a different color. It's a more of a mauvey purple color. Super cute, and I think you can see the lace detail better in this one, just because it's like a in contrast with the mauvey tone. So right here is the lace, and then it's unlined after that, so you can see my skin right here, my finger right here. So yeah, super cute. I can't wait to wear this. Then last but not least, we got another PJ set. This one is called the Anna set. Ooh. So the bottom is, this is what it looks like. It's a long pants, super cute, and has star detail all over it, gray with the black stars. And then the top part, it's just a cute, cozy t-shirt to lounge around in. Super cute. Can't wait to wear this, guys. Alright, so those are the pieces that I picked up from Adoreme. It looks like they include a free facial mask for me. I could always use more of those. But yeah, that is all for this video. This is all the products that I picked up from Adoreme. Big shout out to them for letting me pick all of these out. If you guys want to check any of these pieces out, I'll have the link to the website down below in the description box. Definitely check them out. But yeah, that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel of course, and follow me on Instagram at Simply Savon, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah!